Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jay here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be styling a beautiful coily hair. I'm starting off with pulling my wig cap all the way to the bottom. You can call it a wig cap or stocking cap. So I'm pulling it all the way to the bottom just so it looks natural. That's how I get a bald looking effect. So I'm using a spray. This is what works for me. So I'm spraying it. I'm going to cut out space for my hair. So I'm laying the hair to the back with the hot comb. This is going to make it easy for me to install. I'm cutting off the excess stocking cap and I'm going to go ahead with installing my wig. I'm going to go ahead and use a foundation of my skin tone, and I'm going to put that on the brush and just blend that out all over the wig cap. This is why, and one of the reasons why it looks natural. After this, I'm going to do an extra step nobody probably does, but I'm going to lay the edges of the wig cap or stocking cap with a tiny ribbon.
We might need some help finding the legs.
So I'm basically going to be styling the edges, styling the hair. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to subscribe, share, like this video for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.